he's reading a script when he did not knowing what the character said.
Bake that pie.
Like HelloFresh delivered to your door, fresh ingredients of any kind, like dairy, meat, eggs, fried by its
Hold up, then I bake that pie.
experiences you'll remember. Do more. It's like, what, are you only allowed to play for COVID protection?
Bake that pie. Hold up, then I bake that pie.
You don't smell men's underwear, even if it says you. I don't think it's real. It's like, that would have to smell. You smell underwear. You smell the sauce so good. Like this big. Yeah. Ooh. Let's order some used underwear for the show. What? Why don't we order them when you want? Because that did
Bake that pie.
good sense. But should I'm also about to do it. I heard that stuff went down and you were the only one that saw it. There was a couple of Asian guys. Yeah, a couple of Asian guys. There was a couple of Asian guys.
I know you like me, but bake that pie. Bake that pie. Bake that pie.
Every CBS and right, the guy goes.
Sometimes she call me Jesus when I hate that. Bake that pie. Bake that pie.
Last time I was here, 3 months ago, I called Juliana. Yeah, it was 6 days ago. Hey, that explains. Yeah. Well, last year I googled it.
Hey, bake that pie. You on the mission, in my kitchen.
Is he an asshole? Who, James? Yeah.
Me and music, but my boyfriend keep him bitching. Said it twice, boy it's nice. Come to shine, baby, mixing with my dope mind. Bake that pie. Can smell him all the way from home. If through the window I can see, but I can hear him all. Bake that pie.
Me, son of a bitch.
You say, bake that pie. I know you like me, but you love me. Bake that pie. Sometimes she call me Jesus when I hate that. Bake that pie. Bake that pie. I know you like me, but you
Oh my fucking god, that scared the shit out of me. I thought it wasn't gonna work.